I'm going to summarize your problem in just one line. And that is, colleges will abandon you. The industry will not embrace you if you don't do what I'm about to tell you in this video. Now, the problem with colleges are they are too much academic in their nature. Of course, not their fault. The curriculum is like that. They are not industry oriented. Most universities are not outcome based. They don't encourage outcome based learning. Instead, there is rote learning. So the problem to this situation is, if you are out of your degree, you will not be embraced by the industry. They will not, welcome you in their company because you are too academic in your nature. You are not according to what they require, right? And that is where industries don't hire freshers. And you will be like, I paid so many crores to my college or lakhs to the college, and now nobody is ready to give me a job. Well, this is a problem of yesterday. Today, we have something which is going to be a game changer for your career. The name of that is Watson Scholarship. Watson Scholarship was launched by Biotech last week, in case you missed it, which is going to design you as a 360-degree researcher. Well, we have hands-on training in this on molecular biology, bioinformatics, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and of course, food technology. We have got training for your CSIR NET, GATE, CUET, and any other entrance exam in life sciences covered. And we are also going to give you job placement assistance, opportunity to publish paper and do project with our scientists on Sweden-based projects. So what are you waiting for? Apply for the Watson Scholarship so that even though your college has abandoned you, you will be embraced by the industry because you have Biotech's power behind you. We will not just give you a certificate of achievement. We will give you a letter of recommendation, work experience certificate so that you're no longer a fresher. And of course, you will be able to go in, apply for the jobs because Biotech is the place where all the entire industry posts jobs, right? And we will be providing you placement assistance also. So this 360-degree research career development program is starting from next month. The last date to apply is 31st of August. Link is given in the description. Go ahead and enroll yourself in Watson Scholarship, and I will make sure that you succeed. All the best. Take care. Bye-bye.